Hello, Lullaby World fans. Today we're taking a look at Splash Math K through 5. This is a fun learning game for kindergartners, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade kids. So this is an educational game that makes learning fun through a gaming sort of interactive experience. You have over 390 plus math concepts built in from kindergarten to 5th grade. And this uses a curriculum based off of the Common Core State Standards. And this is all packed into a free iOS app with an in-app purchase for specific grade levels here. And as you can see here, when you first start up, you can go ahead and create player accounts for your students or your kids in this case that may be learning through the application here. You can go ahead and add a player, for example, and then go ahead and enter a player name. So we'll go ahead and enter something in here. And then you can see you can select boy or girl and then select their grade level here. And then once you set up the account, you can get progress updates on their information and how they're going through Splash Math. So you can see I'm on one of my accounts here and I have full access to said account. That's where the in-app purchase comes in. You can get a lifetime access, you can get access to specific grade levels or just access to everything here. And once you do that, you can click on the settings in the bottom right to change your profile, see help, view reports, which is super useful because this allows you to see reports on certain grade levels here. So if you have certain users here, you can see the reports throughout the grade levels, things like their increase in splash score over time, time spent in the last 14 days, performance by topics, total usage and time spent, and just overall performance. What's really great about this is it allows you to see in-depth details about how they're progressing through the app. Their strengths and weaknesses are also outlined in certain topics. And what's really great here is they'll show you things that they may need more practice in, for example, need improvement or they've mastered. So you can see where they're doing well and where they can use a little bit more of reinforcement and help in certain areas. This is really ideal for parents who, again, have their kids learning through this application. They know exactly where to pinpoint their help and, again, allow assistance for a specific student here. Again, what's so great about this is they have multiple things here. So you see math facts, for example, which allows you to help your kid go through the basics of certain operators. So you have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, and they can select any of these operators or multiple, and then choose a number they want to use. For example, adding through 10 here, we'll hit start. So we'll go ahead and go through this specific math fact game here. And you can see they can switch the sides here. So 10 plus 3, they have 4 choices here. It's 13. And then you'll get great visuals, great sounds, and it's stuff to reassure you when you get the problem right or if you get it wrong. But what's great about this, if you do get it wrong, it goes through and explains why you got the wrong answer. And we'll look more at that in a second here. In the top left, you have the ability to pause, change settings here and sound. You also have the ability to play these little mini games that they have built in, Aquarium and Jungle. And they have a really great scratch pad here. So for example, 2 plus 10, let's say that your kid learns visually through, for example, tally marks. So we have 10 here. We'll do tally marks at 10 plus 2 in this case. So now we know that the answer is 5, 10, 12. And again, that's a really great place for your kid to work out visually. Let's say if they're used to